Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about SQL injection. This is a very common SQL problem. We will use a tool called SQL Map to find this problem. We will do this on our own save lab. We are not hacking, we are learning to be safe. This video is for educational purpose only. Use only on system you own and you have permission to test. Let's begin. This is my lab. I have two computers inside my one computer. This is called virtual machine. One computer is Ubuntu. It has a website called DVWA. DVWA is made to have problems so we can learn to fix them. The other computer is called Linux. It has the SQL map tool. I want to go in this website and to log in. Username is admin and password is password. If you don't have already installed DVWA on your system, I have a separate video for this, how to install DVWA on Ubuntu. You can find this video in the description and install DVWA for penetration testing. Here come to DVWA security. Put it on low security and submit. Then come back to SQL injection. It asks for a user ID. I type number 1. Then press submit. It shows me user number 1. It is admin. Surname is also admin. Now I will try to make a problem. I will type 1, then single quotation. That is number 1 and 1 single quote. Submit. Look an error. This error is very important. It means the website is not safe. It means we can talk to the database. Now we use SQL Map. These tools will help us find the problem. Open a terminal. Sudo su. Calling. I want to zoom in. I think it is enough. To use SQL Map, we need two things from the website. The website address, it is here. It is website address. It is IP of Ubuntu. You can copy it or you can remember it. 2. Our cookie. The cookie is like a key that says we are logged. Right click, inspect, network, reload. Choose one. I want to select this one. It is 200. Okay. Find cookie. Cookie is here. You need this PHP pass ID. We need this ID. You can copy and paste somewhere. Come back to call Linux. Here you need to type SQL Map. Then -u. Here you need to write your IP address. We copy before. It is here. Then paste here. After that, / vulnerabilities. Then write SQL I, question mark ID equal to 1 and submit equal to submit hash. It is inside of double quotation. After that, we need to add cookies. Our cookie is here. Copy and paste. We can copy and paste here. Let us do it. After that, we add semicolon. Then you can specify your security. Now our security is on low. I want to clean it. Here we have two HTTP. Let's clean it. After that, hit enter. Look, it says the ID problems vulnerable. This means it found the problem. Now let's ask SQL map to find database. I want to clean the screen. Again, we can use this command. Just we can add -- dbs. Hit enter. And now it shows us the number of database. Here we have two database. This is very powerful. Look, it is DVWA and also information schema. A bad person can steal this information. In this step, go back to DVWA website and come back. We go to settings. Here is DVWA security. Come here. Now it is on level 0. We can put on level 1 or level 2. It is high security. Then we go back to the SQL injection page. Now we can't type anything. We can only choose from a list. This is only way to fix the problem. The best way to fix it is to use something called prepared statement on the code. This makes the website safe. If you are a website developer, you must learn this. Remember, always learn on computer your own. Never try this on website without permission. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please like the video and subscribe. It helped me a lot. Goodbye for now.